Hi, this video is about theoretical explanation of bubble sort algorithm. Let's get started. Let us consider a sequence of length 6 with respect to indexes. Initial value of the I and j be 0. Compare the j and j plus 1 value whether the j is greater than j plus 1 value. If it is true, shuffle the values and increment j by 1. Compare 11 and 25 as 11 is smaller than 25. Condition false, just increment j by 1. Compare 25 and 19 as 25 is greater than 19. Condition is true, shuffle the values and increment j by 1. Compare 25 and 99 as 25 is smaller than 99. Condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 99 and 6 as 99 is greater than 6. Condition true, shuffle the values ending. At the end of the 0th iteration, we can find the largest value of the sequence at the highest index portion of the sequence 5 and then increment I by 1. In first iteration, the initial value of j is 0. Compare 0 and 11. Condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 11 and 19. Condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 19 and 25. Condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 25 and 6. Condition true, shuffle the values and increment j by 1. Compare 25 and 99. Condition false. At the end of the first iteration, we can find the second largest value of the sequence at the second highest position of the sequence 4 and then increment I by 1. In second iteration, the initial value of j be 0. Compare 0 and 11, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 11 and 19, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 19 and 6, condition true, shuffle the values and increment j by 1. Compare 19 and 25, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 25 and 99, condition false, increment j by 1. At the end of the second iteration, we can find the third largest value of the sequence at third highest index portion of sequence 3 and increment I by 1. In third iteration, initial value of j be 0. Compare 0 and 11, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 11 and 6, condition true, shuffle the values and increment j by 1. Compare 11 and 19, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 19 and 25, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 25 and 99, condition false. At the end of the third iteration, we can find the fourth largest value of the sequence at fourth highest index position of the sequence 2 and increment I by 1. In fourth iteration, initial value of j be 0. Compare 0 and 6, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 6 and 11, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 11 and 19, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 19 and 25, condition false, increment j by 1. Compare 25 and 99, condition false. This is for ascending order. For descending order, we have to check j value less than j plus 1 value. We need n minus 1 iteration to sort the given sequence, where n is the length of the sequence. In each iteration, we need n minus 1 iteration to get the respective larger value to its respective position